So to Dollar Tree today, and I have decided I am going to make some junk journal packets, my own twist. So let me show you what I got today at Dollar Tree. I got some of this red and white. I'll be using it in my junk journaling. In my little packets that I'm going to have for $5 for junk journaling, I'm going to put one of these cards in, Dr. Seuss flashcards. I thought these would be fun. Um, you can write on them. If I can get them out. Write on them. Aren't they cute? Can write on them, make them tags. You got plenty of room to write. I think those will be cute. Brown heart. So we got those. If I don't use one of those, I'm going to use a Unicard. You guys all know what the Unicards look like. Those will be fun to have in a little junk journal packet. I also got some addition flashcards here. You can collage on them. You can write journal. You can write on them, make them tags, date them. I think those will be really fun in my junk journaling. I'm going to start a new junk journal, not just pages. I got two of these because I'm always looking for red, circles um, to put in my junk journaling. So I got two of those. I got some of these stickers here. I think those will be really fun. We have the pink, and half of this is blue and green, and the other one is orange, red, and yellow, and green at the bottom. I think those will be fun. There's 40 labels in there. I can stamp on them. I can make bookmarks with them, anything. So that'll be fun. I got some more of these stickers here. I just thought they were neat because I love brown in junk journaling, brown paper, stamping, anything like that. I know they say bride and promise, and I do, but I'm not going to really, I can cover these up, forever. I can put a different kind of sticker in here, whatever. I just thought they were kind of neat. I did get two of those right there. I also got, I've been running out of numbers. Sorry for the glare. Numbers, these are rub-on transfers, and they're all different kinds of numbers, which I use a lot of numbers in my journaling, and I got two of those as well. Sorry for the glare. Also, one more thing I thought was kind of fun. I got this Monopoly game, and I thought it would be fun because of the money. I've seen people use the money in junk journaling, and when I got it, I did look at it when I got it because I wanted to see the money. The money's only this little, but you can still use it. I think the dice is adorable. Um, I think on the dice, I may make these as little charms. I'm going to put a little eyelet in here, drill it in, and maybe hang it or even put them in somebody's, in their little packet. I don't know yet, but let me show you this money. I think it's adorable. It's smaller than I hoped, but it's still really cute. You can still use those in the junk journaling. So there's all different colors here, and I think that's really adorable. So we got all of those different numbers, um, the different money, different colored money right there. And then we have all these little stickers here. We have all the little pieces, go to jail, in jail, free parking, the little houses. You can always use those in your junk journaling. These will be little cards um, right here. I will be pulling them apart. We have, them on the back. Then you have these little question, and then the treasure, I guess. It's been a long time since I played Monopoly. But, we also have the little board here, which I won't be using, but I think that's very cute. So that's my haul, guys. Thanks for watching.